What's good, Airsofters? This is Double Tap. Today I'm playing at my home field in Santa Barbara, California. Got the homies assembled, ready to romp.
Yeah, I was gonna get some footage of me getting wrecked.
The homie Gibson, talking trash.
You're just gonna see the footage of me.
Alright, wait, Eddie, let me check you out.
You're just gonna see the footage of me.
Eat your banana,
Eddie,
Gibson.
But
Nah, we do have footage of me getting wrecked by Gibson. First game of the day is team on team single elimination. You get hit once, you're dead. We immediately take the plateau. It's a good defensible position. I'm grounded. Eddie and his team are skirting the entire map to try to get on our 6.
that's the limit. So we can't go past the train tracks.
We'll bump up the video feed to 1500% as Eddie and his team enter the forest, and we contemplate coming down from the plateau, thinking they're ticked in on their original spawn point.
Alright, we'll make a break for the top of the hill. Let's do it. Alright, let's go to the top of the hill. Let's go.
We unfortunately make the decision to take the rise in the middle of the forest. See what happens.
Contact!
Too eager, first to die.
Hit!
Let's check it out from Eddie's perspective. My team gets quick revenge for my death. New game, it's force on force, but this time there's a medic on each team. Each individual player can be revived twice. If they get killed on their third life, they're out of the game.
Hey, if you're dead, sit down!
I remind Eddie that he can be revived. Once again, I charge headfirst by myself into enemy fire. The old run and gun.
Ah, hit!
Get stung by Chris's pistol.
Hey, as soon as you tag me in, we gotta go back. We gotta retreat. Okay, retreat. Retreat. Go, 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 go. Okay, now we're gonna push up on this side, alright?
While I was dead, Chris became the last surviving member of the opposing team, and he's up there on the plateau. Pistol fire, so I don't know that he's the last person, so I take the long way around. He's no match for my fully automatic rifle. Sweet revenge. And I'm not yet aware that that's game, so this is me taking a tactical hike.
Here, I'm gonna creep up here and watch him.
New game. I'm holding point at the top of the rise. My teammate tells me to watch the left side. I hear footsteps, but I'm fairly certain they're coming from the right side of the hill, just below the rise.
Hit!
Sneaky Gibson. I'm dead. Incoming friendly fire targeted at Gibson. Sure enough to get him.
Oh, fuck yes.
Back in the game.
Wait, I can do revive,
Yeah, you can.
I have to stay here though?
Yeah.
I have to be right here?
Yeah, sorry, dude.
Help.
With Gibson dead and me now alive, I can make short work of the opposing team. Eddie's down, but there's another behind him. Switch to semi. Pop Eddie in the neck. Sorry, Eddie. Score the guy behind him. By my count, there's one left. Chris, their medic, with his pistol. I move in, prevent enemy combatants from being respawned by Chris. We win. New game, I advance on the plateau for my team. To be successful in Airsoft, situational awareness is key, followed closely by tactics. And alas, in this instance, I should have listened more and moved less. For this game, I've been designated medic, so I'm using the CO2 non-blowback pistols.
Gustavo, watch out! Yeah, I see him, I see him, I see him. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We gotta push this cover, let's go!
Fully automatic.
Get cover, get cover!
Fire coming from the top. I make it to cover, but my teammate does not. Ditch my pistol since it isn't firing on my backup. Apparently what happened with that is somebody left my safety on when I lent it to him.
Run, run, run! Run, get cover, get high ground. Fall back!
So at this point I realize my second pistol isn't feeding. Great, they're advancing. There's Gibson.
Hit! Fuck! I would have had you, Gibson, my fucking pistol didn't fire.
Alright, we got the medic.
3, 2, 1.
For this game we've decided to do
Begin!
4 teams of 2. I've been paired with Eddie.
All right, hold this position. Hey, you watch right, I'll watch left, okay?
At this point in the day, Eddie's probably had more than his fair share of the 18 rack we brought.
Hey, but stay in this position. Well, we're gonna defend this like a castle, okay?
Goofball's chilling in the open.
Okay, but watch.
And I'm by myself against 3 teams of 2. I decide to press against the team that downed my companion. Cover distance to try to project force against a large part of the area of the map. I don't know how none of my BBs found my mark, but there you go. Dude's either really lucky or not feeling shots or something. I make a tactical withdrawal to find easier prey. Sure enough, I hear some gunfire coming from over this way. And that's one team eliminated, but there's still the matter of the team they were fighting against. Sounds like Diego and Chris are both rocking the CO2 pistols. Not too worried about puny little pistols. Take the nice tree spot. It's hard to see into here. I really like this.
Hit!
And they nabbed me.
Nice shot.
The game is now every man for himself. It's been a sneaky, quiet game so far, but I hear an opponent and see him now, just beyond my oak tree. My camera turns itself off. I have to move. I know I have an opponent on my right and he'll gravitate towards the gunfire, so I move to cut him off. Sure enough, it's the Gibson. We have a battle. My gun doesn't fire. He hits me in the sleeve, but a hit's a hit. Make sure to wind those magazines, airsofters.
Draw!
Dueling is a favorite pastime of mine. Enjoy. Each player's allotted 3 shots. I've missed all 3 of my shots.
Dude, come on. Hey, you get 3 shots.
Sting him in the cheek. Cheeky bastard. Let's go again. I'll finish this off with this clip as a reminder that the enemy isn't the only thing to worry about on
You're
the
hit.
battlefield. Have fun out there.
Which? It's got the high ground. Ah, shit.
The beer in the tree did him in. He's in no position to fight.
Ah, down!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. See you guys on the battlefield.